Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on repairing the brush bearing of the Conga 1490. In this video, we will cover everything from the tools you need to the step-by-step process of the repair. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a set of pliers, and a cleaning brush. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. Begin by unplugging the Conga 1490 to ensure safety. Once it's unplugged, flip the device over to access the bottom panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. With the bottom panel removed, you can now see the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the area around the brush bearing. If you notice any debris or dust buildup, use your cleaning brush to gently clean the area. This will help prevent future issues and ensure a smooth operation. Next, locate the brush bearing. It is typically situated near the motor assembly. Carefully detach any wires or connectors that may be obstructing access to the bearing. Remember to take note of where each connector goes, as this will be important when reassembling the device. Once you have clear access to the brush bearing, use your pliers to gently remove it. If you encounter resistance, double check for any screws or clips that may still be holding it in place. It's crucial to be patient during this step to avoid damaging any components. Now that the brush bearing is removed, inspect it for wear and tear. If it appears damaged, it's time to replace it. If you don't have the tools or parts on hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you determine the best course of action. Before installing the new brush bearing, clean the area thoroughly to ensure no debris interferes with the new part. Once cleaned, carefully place the new bearing into position. Make sure it fits snugly and is aligned correctly. Reattach any wires or connectors you previously removed, ensuring they are secure. If you need assistance with this step, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get the help you need without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. After everything is reconnected, it's time to reassemble the bottom panel. Align it properly and use your Phillips screwdriver to secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened adequately to prevent any rattling during operation. Finally, plug in your Conga 1490 and test the brush bearing. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for smooth operation. If everything seems to be working well, congratulations! You've successfully repaired the brush bearing. If you encounter any issues during the testing phase, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. This way, you can make informed decisions about your device's maintenance. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and informative as you work on your Conga 1490. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.